You got a vision board that could wallpaper your entire house. You watch success videos at 2 a.m. You know, you're destined for greatness. So, why are you currently watching this instead of actually doing the thing? Look, if you are ambitious but lazy, you're not broken. You're just playing chess while your brain's playing checkers. That's what's really happening. Your brain sees write a book and thinks, cool, 80,000 words of torture. It sees get fit and pictures you dying on a treadmill. No wonder it says, or why can't we just watch another episode? Your brain isn't sabotaging you, it's protecting you from what looks like pain. But here's the cheat code nobody tells you. First, stop trying to boil the ocean. You don't need to write a book today. Write one terrible sentence. You don't need to run a marathon. Put on your shoes. That's it. Just shoes. You'll feel ridiculous not going for a walk once they are on. Small is unstoppable. Small doesn't trigger your brain's panic button. Second, make laziness harder than action. Want to work out? Sleep in your gym clothes. I'm serious. Want to read more? Put your phone in another room and leave a book on your pillow. You're not building willpower, you're building a lazy person's trap that actually helps you. Third, the 2 minute trick. Tell yourself, I'll just do this for 2 minutes. That's it. 2 minutes of writing, 2 minutes of cleaning, 2 minutes of practicing. Here's a secret. Starting is the hardest part. Once you're moving, you'll probably keep going. It's like trying to eat just one chip. Impossible. Here's the reality check you need. Every successful person you admire, they started small. They sucked at first. The difference is they kept showing up. You don't need motivation, you need momentum. And momentum starts with one tiny, almost embarrassingly small action. So, what's your move? Right now, after this video, what's the one small thing you'll do? Because your dreams don't care about perfect timing, they care about imperfect action. Stop waiting, start small, stay consistent. Your future self is watching. Make them proud.